And when the day of Pentecost had fully come, they were all with one accord in one place. And suddenly there came a sound from heaven as of a rushing mighty wind, and it filled the whole house where they were sitting. Then there appeared to them divided tongues as of fire, and one sat upon each of them. And they were all filled with the Holy Spirit, and began to speak with other tongues as the Spirit gave them utterance. This is powerful. That's how the Acts of the Apostles begins. If Acts chapter 2 would have been missing, there would be no Acts of the Apostles. I dare to say that Pentecost is the intended norm of Christianity. Do you hear me? That is God's intended pattern, intended norm. Cannot exclude it. If you exclude it, you come out of the fire into the fridge. And we are warm-blooded creatures. We get cold in the fridge and die in the fridge.